couldn't believe I did not know this place exists in Bangkok. It's where you have hundreds and hundreds of instant ramen. I would like to try them out, but my kidney will probably die. I miss my university day of eating all the ramens. Well, the other day I was strolling around the Union Mall near Chatujak BTS. It's right across the Chatujak market, in the underground section, in the furthermost corner. I thought I was seeing a ramen museum, but man, the smell, so good. I totally did not expect something like this in Thailand. Last time I saw something like an automated ramen machine was in South Korea. Right now I am at a place called Good Noodle BKK and it's open till 9 p.m. No 24 hours goodness, but I guess this is good enough. There are many kinds of ramen as you can see. There are 3 main sections: Thai, Korean and Japanese. Thai and Japanese ramens are pretty similar, they require only hot water. So, the noodles are not thick nor chewy. I'm going to try the Korean ones today. Korean noodles are the thick ones that require boiling water. I believe they are called ramyons. Sorry for Korean friends out there, I totally butchered the pronunciations. The ramyons are usually hot flavor, but you can also have fish, seafood, and cheese. I would not recommend cheese since you can add actual cheese in there. Now, after you have chosen your noodle, go to the refrigerated area and pick up 2 to 3 fresh ingredients. I would recommend toppoki, the rice cake, the fish cake, and some meat. If you are really hungry, add some egg to the mix, and if you like thick broth, add some cheese slices. Pick up some seaweed to add some extra umami. There are also ice cream, but maybe come back for them later. This is my favorite. Make sure to pick one up later. There are assortment of drinks. Randomly picking one up is fine. I would take something sour to counter the saltiness of the broth. Once you have everything ready, go to the counter. The cashier will give you a special bowl that can be used with the machine. There are several machines to help you cook the ramen. If your ramen is the wet kind, use these machines. These different looking machines are for the dry noodles, so make sure you use the correct ones. Put all your ingredients in the bowl. Make sure to have meat on top so they don't overcook. The only thing you need to do is scan the paper bowl, place it on the IH machine and click start. I find that 4 minutes work best, but if you want firmer noodles, 3 minutes and 30 seconds will do. You can also add extra water if you feel the noodle is too salty. When the water starts boiling, stir a bit, make sure the meat is cooked. I am going to let you enjoy the cooking montage and see you at the table soon. So what do you think? Don't forget to make a visit when you arrive in Thailand. You find the Google Map link attached down below. Please don't forget to subscribe to see more. Thank you. Bye bye.